quick tip on DIY sharpening station. Basically, you can build your own. It's pretty easy, and I think it's better than what you buy on Amazon. There's some crap for 50 bucks, and I don't think it actually works that well. All you need is just 2x4 and a bucket, basically. Also, of course, you need this rubber clamp. I'll put a link, what is the name of it, and your sharpening stones. Yeah, let me show you close up on all of these. You buy a bucket from hardware store, any bucket you find like suitable size. You buy some rubber pieces and double-sided like 3M tape, because you can't really glue rubber to plastic. It's not gonna work with super glue. So double-sided, you got 4 corners. That way it doesn't slide. And for the actual piece that holds this rubber mount is 2x4, like I said. Make sure it's roughly a little bit bigger than your bucket. And cut small pieces with like slight angle. I would say it's about like 30-degree angle. So if I put it this way, you can kind of see the angle of these legs. And when you drill holes, like you would need to pre-drill and sunken the screws inside, so it doesn't bother when you try to install this. Once you have the legs all measured out and they kind of stretch the box, so when you put it in, it's kind of like, you see, stretches tiny bit of box, so it's snug seal, doesn't move anywhere. And you put your screws for the rubber base, and that way you mount it this way. You put it on those screws, you take your favorite stone. In this case we got our 800 Japanese stones. This one pretty nice. Yeah, just rubber mount, put them on. Yeah, obviously you put water, probably half of it is water, and after you wipe it, after you soak it, depends on what kind of stone you have. Either you soak it or you pour water. Handplane, blades, chisels, knives, pretty much anything goes on this sharpening station. So why bucket, you would ask? Originally I built it to fit perfectly on my sink with the same, like, so it kind of stretches, it sits just snug. But once you start sharpening, there's a lot of material coming out of the knife, all of that black stuff, black brownish stuff, and it's all over your sink, and it's super hard to wash afterwards. So it's much easier to do it in a bucket, and you just now wash the bucket, because it just makes no sense to wash it, obviously. So you put it in a bucket, put it on the surface, and you're good to go. You can do chisels, you can do whatever you want. Yeah, very convenient. So rubber piece like this, and the base 3 screws to hold the rubber piece, and sunken screws for the legs on each side. That's all it takes to build a very nice sharpening station.